Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. Today I am going to tell you how you can get your documents signed in Better Proposals and then create an invoice in Harvest. Now suppose you have sent a proposal to someone through Better Proposals and he or she is signing it and sending it back to you. Now what will happen if you are receiving a positive response, that is when he or she is signing it and sending it back to you, an automatic contact and also an invoice will be created in your Harvest account. Now we are going to do this process as first we are going to make a proposal through our Better Proposal and send it to the person on her or his Gmail. Then he or she will sign the documents. From there the details will go to the Harvest account and a new record will be created in your Harvest account. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Better Proposals and Harvest together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. So, we are at our screen now. What we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect and enter. And as soon as you will do that, you will be redirected to this beautiful web page where you have two options, sign in and sign up. If you already have an account, you can sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay. Now I already have an account, so I'll just go for sign in. And here I'll just go for login. And then I am going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now you can see I have a dashboard here where I am going to create a new workflow for my new automation. To do that, I am going to click on create workflow. And here what I am doing, I am connecting Better Proposals to Harvest. So many spelling mistakes. Okay. Now click on create. Now what you have to do is you have to, before you do anything, let me explain you one thing. We have two windows here, trigger and action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. Now for trigger, what we are going to do, we are going to get our proposal signed in Better Proposals. So Better Proposal, and here proposal signed is the trigger event. And now I'm going to connect my Better Proposal account. So what I'm going to do, I will just go and add new connection, and it is asking us for the API key. So where are you going to find the API key? You can see the instructions and follow them. Log into your Better Proposals account. You can find or generate API token from here. So either you can go to your Better Proposal account or you can just click here. So you can see here, this is our Better Proposal account, which I already have logged in. I can just click on generate API key and I will copy this. You can see this is my account, Ryan. I'll close this one and I'll paste it here. Save. Okay. Now, our first step is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on save and send test request. Now as soon as you will do this, you can see that there is no response because we did not send a proposal to someone and that proposal has not been opened by anyone. Okay. So if you will click on save and send test request, you won't be getting anything here. Now let me show you my proposal. I have created a dummy proposal for you all. Now here what I am going to do, I am going to show you the proposal which I sent right now. So this is the proposal I just sent, and here I am going to show you the proposal. So the proposal is this: Dear Ashi, thank you for contacting Pabbly Connect, and with my company name the proposal has been sent to Ashi Rai. And for the signature, you can see here in next steps, she has to sign it by typing her name here. Okay. Whenever she will accept it and sign it, we will have the response here in our Pabbly Connect account from Better Proposal. Now, let me save and exit this. And whenever you are going to send a proposal to someone, what you can do is here, let me just go for resend. Here, this is the man who is sending the proposal, or this is the ID of the person who is sending the proposal. And this is the name and ID of the person who is getting the proposal. Okay. So you can just write in your email subject, email and everything else. Now I'm just going back because I have already done it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back on my dashboard here. Save and exit. And I'll just go back here. And now I will go to the account of Ashi Rai and I will accept the proposal. So I will just go here and you can see I have two proposals from Ryan. So first one is the proposal which I was using when I was testing this automation. And this is the proposal which I just sent before, which I just sent in front of you. So I'll just go and read your proposal. Click on read your proposal. Start reading proposal. And you can see this is the proposal by the name Dear Ashi. And what we have to do is we have to go to the next steps. And here I have to sign my name, which is Ashi Rai. Okay. Now what I am gonna do, I am just gonna accept this proposal. And here it is written, thank you for signing up our proposal. We will be in touch shortly so that we can get started. If she wants, she can download it as a PDF. Now, what we will do, we will go back here in our dashboard. Let me go here. And you can see it is written signed Ashi Rai, signed by Ashi Rai, signed on this date. IP address is this. And here the proposal progress, sent, email opened, proposal read and signed. Now, what we have to do, we have to go here and again click on save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, you can see that an ID has been generated here, proposal by Pabbly Connect. Hello, this is the message which I sent her, and with that I sent her the proposal. So signed signature is from Ashi Rai. And now we have everything. Ashi Rai 24@gmail.com. Currency name is in US dollars. Now what we are going to do from action step, we are just going to take our harvest now. Harvest. And to create a new invoice, first we have to create a new contact here. So what we are going to do, first, we are going to create a new contact in harvest. And here is the option of creating a new contact by the name of create client. So do not get confused. It's one and the same thing. Okay. Now just connect it and it is asking you for the connection. Go on add new connection. Now this is my harvest account. What you can do is you can just go to this link and directly follow this instruction and then use the account ID and API token here. So I'll just click on this and create a new personal access token. Name is Better Proposals to Harvest. Okay. Create personal access token. Now this is your token and this is your account ID. So just copy your account ID, paste it here, copy your token. Wait a minute, I have to copy it from the start. So copy your token, just copy it and paste it here. And now keep in mind what you have to do. When you copy your token, you have to add a prefix there, this. So just copy this prefix, paste it and give a space. Now click on save. Now as soon as you will click on save, you can see a new account will be, I should not say a new account, your harvest will be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use a technique which is called mapping. And mapping will let us take the data from this window to this window here. So what we are going to do, first we are going to map the name. The name of the person was Ashi Rai. So we will click on Ashi Rai. Address, we did not have any address field in our Better proposal. So we are not going to do that. Currency was US dollars. So we are just going to choose US dollars. So this is the US dollars. And now save and send test request. And as soon as you will do that, you can see a response has been received and a new contact has been made in our harvest, Ashi Rai, by the name Ashi Rai. So here is Ashirai, manage, and you can see a new contact has been added here, Ashirai. Okay, and if you want, you can just click on it and add as a contact to Ashirai. Now what you are going to do? Now it is the time for our final part. You have to now create an invoice in Harvest. So just go for Harvest again and click on create invoice. Now click on connect. Save, because I have already connected my Harvest account a few moments ago. Client ID. Now client ID is the ID of the client to which the invoice belongs to. It is written also here. So what you are going to do, you are just going to open this, or should I say turn on this map icon. You will delete this, and then you are going to take this ID 11854361. This is the client ID. So just map in the client ID here. We do not have number, we do not have purchase order number, tax no, tax to no, discount, subject. So our subject was proposal from Pabbly Connect. Notes, if you want to put any notes, I do not want to do that. Currency was in dollars, US dollars. Okay, issue date, due date, line items is example project. And now what I'm going to do, I'm really sorry. Now what you have to do is you have to, as you can see, here it is written line items. So what you are going to do is what is line items? So here you are going to see this is the project, and here you have one project, example project. So what you can do, if you want to create a new project, you can do that, or if you want to rename some projects, you can do that here and create new projects here, and this will be shown here in your line items project ID. Now from there you will select this, because I only have this one. Line items kind, are we going to give the product, or we are going to give the service? So we are providing service, so we will click on service, and let me show you this one also. Go to invoices, configure, and here item types. So this is the product or the service. If you want to add anything else, you can click on new item type and you can add that as well. Okay. Now, line items description, we do not have any description, so we are not gonna put that. Line items quantity, no. Line items unit price, so it was $1,400. So let's just take it from here, 1,400. Line items text, it is not text, false, and save and send test request. And as soon as you're going to do that, you can see a new ID has been generated here, which means a new invoice has been generated in our Harvest account. Let me go back. Invoices. And here you can see Ashirai proposal from Pabbly Connect, $1,400. So friends, this is how you can connect your better proposal to your Harvest, and whenever a proposal is assigned in your better proposal or through your better proposal, an automatic client will be created in Harvest, and also an automatic invoice will be created in the Harvest account by his or her name. And this could be very useful in your business when you are doing B2B or B2C, especially B2B. So if you want to use this beautiful workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone this workflow in your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and to do that, you have to come to Pabbly Connect and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future. And I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.